Hello guys, hope you're having a great day. We will be reviewing today L'Homme à la Rose from Maison Francisco Urgent. I got this sample from my nephew. He experienced it already, as you can see. This will be the first time I spray this and test it out. According to Francois, this is his take on a manly rose perfume. And it does smell very rosy. The initial spray, the top, immediately you get a lot of rose. A lot. Some grapefruit, but it is not much. It's like a mixed bunch of roses, different types of roses. I can smell some clary sage too. I believe he has used some white musks in it. It is a very floral perfume, let me say it like that. Whew. Strong. I'm getting some citruses, but only the zesty part of a citrus combined with the roses. You do not get any lemons, limes. Yeah, I get some grapefruit, but most dominantly it is the rose. It reminds me of a lot of aldehydes being used in this one. It is a fresh perfume, can be used in the summertime. The question I have right now is this good for men? In my opinion, it is good for men. You can wear this as a man because it does not lean to the feminine side. This is a good unisex perfume, which means women can wear it too. Age-wise, I would say if you are 20 years and older, for sure you can wear it. It's not a jammy rose. This is a drier rose. I can't put my finger on the type of rose that he used, but knowing Francisco Urgent, he either used Bulgarian rose or Damascena rose. It's good. I can't complain. The white musks are there, but they don't come to the forefront. It's a good base. It reminds me just a bit of Zegna Neroli, Mugler Cologne. This is a manly rose. Yes, you can put it that way. It does not smell feminine at all, or this is not sweet. It is really not sweet. This is a dry rose. Personally, would I buy this? Would I wear this? I don't think so. I would not buy it or wear it. It does not suit me, my style. Would any other man wear this? Possibly. But if you are a feminine man, you can wear this. If you lean to the masculine side as a man, you should not be wearing this, because even though as a man you can wear it, something with the grapefruit seems off. You guys know I am a big fan of Francisco Urgent, but this one, it's a good perfume overall, but this one I don't see the value for the money there, or even that being said, as a man you can wear it, but I'm trying to picture in front of me the type of man that would wear this kind of perfume. I can't imagine any man wearing this one unless you are a fruity man and you really like rose scents, dry rose scents with a touch of grapefruit, some herbalness, not much, some citrusiness, but that's it. Musky, very floral perfume, I must say. Women can wear this off. Women can wear this. If you like L'Homme à la Rose, the men's version, you will for sure like it too, and you can wear it for sure. It does smell realistic, I must say. It does smell like a realistic rose, but it's not for men. Although I can see some men wearing it. Personally, I would not wear it. If I'm talking about myself, I would not wear it, but I can see some fruity men wearing it. Nothing wrong with being fruity. It's a good perfume. That's it. I give it personally a 7 out of 10. and I'm being generous because this is Francis Courgeon. I respect him and respect his art, but that's it. I cannot see somebody as a man respecting his own integrity wearing this perfume, if you know what I mean. But the setting you can wear this in, if you want to wear it as a man, is most probably outdoors when you are going to the local gay bar, or you are walking around in the gardens full of bees and bumblebees. This is it, guys. I cannot say anything else, or else YouTube will be flagging me for this review. I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao ciao.